everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. $443 into my envelope. Sorry, it's a little late, so I'm a little tired right now. I'm actually I'm going to be leaving for my trip soon in like a few hours. So I'm trying to get everything done before I leave. So yeah, so I have a few things, and this is one of the things I need to finish up. So I'm going to cash plan before my trip. But yeah, I'm cash planning before my trip, and I'm hoping to get to the bank so that way I can get the money. And my cash stuffing will probably just be a little later in the day, but I'm gonna try to get it on Sunday. I always put my cash stuffing posted on Sunday. It'll just be later. I usually do it in the morning, like early in the morning, but it would be later. But I know that'll be fine. It'll be all good. So I'm going to be doing $443 in my wallet. I'm doing $170, my usual amounts in here. So spending is going to get $30, eating out is going to get $30, groceries is going to get $80, coffee $20, and buffer $10. So that's $170 for the week. And now in my my binders. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go into my into this binder first because I have like a little game kind of thing that I like to play. I have to roll the dice for this one, so I want to figure this one out first. Get the die. Okay. And a sticky note so I can write down what I'm doing. Okay, so let me move this aside. It's easier to... Okay, I'm going to do one. Let's see if I can get a little bit more than one. Okay, we'll do two. I'm not going to roll again. So 2, which is actually good because I don't have as much to stuff this week. So 2 is totally good. Okay, so that's the first roll, which will be the left side. And then the top side. Okay, so I have 2 and 4, which is a rainbow. So that's $2. So I'm just going to put $2 here. Next roll. Last roll. 6 and 1. 6 and 1, which is a little diamond. That's $10. Okay, so a little bit more. That's good. So that is going to get $12 this week. See, just with those 2 rolls, I did a little bit of damage. I thought I would at least get like maybe less than 5. But that's okay. So I have 12, and I'm just going to put power up down here and put 12. Oh, I need my calculator. Here it is. Okay, so I got my calculator. I was like, I know I was missing something over here because it seemed like I had so much space. Usually a little bit tight in here. Okay, let's see. I'm done with this. I'll put it here for now. So I think you can see that. So we have 443 minus 170 and 12. Okay, so I have 261 left to put into the rest of my envelopes. And yeah, not as much as I usually have, but still a good amount. I'm going to put a lot of 5s. That I know for sure. A lot of 5s will be going into these binders. Okay, black binder first. Auto repair. I have $2.95, so I'm just going to put 5. Get that to 300. So 5. Christmas. That's going to get 5 as well. Electronics. Actually, I'm going to put 10 in here. Emergency. So I like to put like a little bit more in an emergency. So this one's going to get 25. And extra debt's going to get 25. And furniture. 5. Rainy day. 5 as well. I don't think I'm pulling from any of these anytime soon, so that's why they're not like a huge priority. Registration is 5. Road trip, 5. Scentsy, another 5. Subscriptions, I'm actually going to put 10 in here because I'm trying to get this subscription started, the next one. And treat yourself. I'm going to give myself 10 for treat yourself. All right, so that's 146 left. This is gonna be a quick, I feel like this is gonna be a quick cash planning, so that's good. Again, because I'm about to be leaving soon. I always procrastinate on things like last minute. I had all this time to, and I'm a planner. Like, I don't know why I don't plan things out better. But it happens, and I'm probably not gonna sleep a lot before my flight, so it is what it is, but that's okay. I can manage. Beauty is gonna get, I have $4. Okay, Beauty's gonna get 10. Clothing, I don't have much in here, so that's gonna get 10. Content is just gonna get 5. Costco's gonna get 5. Disney, I'm going to Disney next week. Putting 15 in here. Family, 5. My family's coming to visit while I'm away, which I'm super bummed about. My sister and her family, but I'm glad they're at least coming to see my grandma, my mom, and my stepdad and everybody, so that's good. But I'm sad I won't be here, even though I'll be out having fun. -5 for fun. Did I subtract 5 for family? Whenever I start talking, I just cannot remember. Hold on, let me check. Okay, we're good. I checked and I did. All right, so gifts is gonna get 5. Hobbies is gonna get 5. Like I said, lots of 5s. Here's another 5 one. Home decor is gonna get 5. Household, 26. Actually, I want to get 10 because when I come back, I know I need to buy like trash bags, and there's a couple other things I need to buy when I come back from my trip. So we'll put 10 in there. Target has nothing in it. I'm gonna put 10. Okay. All right, that's that. And then I have my last one is Go Wild, and then I have some savings challenges I want to do. Okay, so Go Wild. And this is where I'm going. I'm going wild. It's a planner conference that happens every year. I've been to the past 2 conferences. This year it's in Texas, so we're going to Texas and gonna meet up with all the planners, and there's like a conference and guest speakers. Martha Stewart's gonna be there, so that's exciting. But yeah, a lot of fun. There's like parties and stuff like that, so lots going on. So whatever I don't spend from here, from what I've saved, I'm gonna save, like it's just gonna roll over into next year's saving for this event. So I'm still putting money in even though I'm going this week, and I've already hit my goal for this already. So Go Wild is gonna get 10. Yeah, I do 10. Okay, I have 41 left. I'm actually gonna go into, I think I'm gonna do in the 100 envelope. What I did last week was I picked a small number, like a very doable number. I picked 15, but then I had extra money in my wallet, so then I was able to bump it up to like 30 something, I think. So I'm gonna do that again. So I'm just gonna do 15 again because I don't have as much. So let's see, 100 envelope. Let's do 15. Okay, I'm left with 26, and I'm thinking that's just gonna all go into savings. So I have this little cute $10 tracker here. So I'm just gonna do 10 in here. Okay, and then let's do 10 in here. And then I have some dollar challenges, like I can color in this, and I have dollars. So I'm just gonna do 6 ones, and that should be it. I'm just gonna double check, make sure all my totals are correct before I get into this part of the video. So we are all good. It totaled out correctly. Love when that happens, when I didn't mess it up completely. So now onto the tallies. I'm just gonna do lots of 5 tallies over here. So I have 5, 5, 10, 25, another 25. Here come more 5s. Okay, those are the 5s. And then a few 10s over here. And a couple of 5s. Then I got 15. And then we got a bunch of 5s here. I think that's good. Okay, and then 3 10s, 1, 2, 3. Actually, wait, I think I messed up. Okay, yep, I messed up. That would have been fun. Okay, I went up too high. Okay, so then this one. All right, then I have the power up, which I'm going to do 12, so that's 10, 11, 12. 100 envelope is 15, so that's going to be 10 and a 5. The $10 challenge gets a 10. The $5 challenge gets 2 5s. And then the $6 challenge gets 6 1s. Perfect, I think. All right, so 50s, I'm going to get 1. 20s, 3, 4, 5. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 5s. And then 1s, we have 6, 7, 8, 13. 6, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 13 1s. Okay, so that's 50. 100, 170, 22 times 5 is 110, and 13, and please, please, please let this all add up so I don't have to redo this. 100, 170, 110, 13. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna write out the little sticky note that I take to the bank. So here it's gonna be 50s times 1, and that's $50. 20s times 5, which is 100. 10s, I need 17 of those, that's 170. 5s, that's 22. 110. And then 1s is 13 1s, and that is $13 for a total of $443. Okay, so when I go to the bank, I am going to ask for 150, 5 20s, 17 10s, 22 5s, and 13 1s. Okay, just put this in my wallet so I don't forget it. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching me cash plan for the week. Thank you so much if you watched to the very end, because I really appreciate that. That really helps my channel out. If you are not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because I do put out content every single day. So if you're interested in seeing more, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.